Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile responsiveness with Bootstrap, complete guide step by step clearly. Mobile responsiveness is crucial for any modern website. Start by ensuring you have the latest Bootstrap version in your project. You can obtain Bootstrap via a CDN or by downloading it directly from the website. Next, link the Bootstrap CSS file in the head section of your HTML document. In the same way, add the Bootstrap JavaScript file just before the closing body tag. Now, create a responsive layout using Bootstrap's grid system. Begin with a container to wrap your content. Use the .containered class for fixed width or .containerFluid for full width layouts. Within the container, create rows using the .row class. Inside the row, add columns using Bootstrap's grid classes like .colMD6 for half width on medium devices. To make your layout fully responsive, use different column sizes for various screen breakpoints. For instance, .colSM12 for small devices and .colLG4 for large devices can provide a flexible design. Next, utilize Bootstrap's responsive utilities to show or hide elements based on screen size. Classes like .dnone, .dsmblock, or .dlgnone can help you control visibility across devices. Now, focus on images within your layout. To ensure images scale proportionally, add the .imgFluid class. This class applies a max width of 100% and height auto, maintaining aspect ratio. For navigation, use Bootstrap's navbar component. Incorporate the .navbar class to create a responsive navigation bar. Make sure to include the toggle button for mobile views. Now, test your layout using developer tools to simulate different devices. Adjust your media queries if necessary for any custom styles. Finally, ensure your website is accessible by adding appropriate ARIA roles where needed. Check all interactive elements for touch targets to optimize the mobile experience. With these steps, you can successfully improve mobile responsiveness using Bootstrap. Make sure to continually test your site on various devices for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.